Samahan nyo kami guys at eto, meron na naman tayong gala. So nandito kami guys sa school ng mga bata ngayon at magpa-fight tayo ng tuition. Mga ninong-ninang, tulungan nyo naman ako, charot. So yun nga guys, no, at nandito kami dahil ngayon nga, dahil pasukan na. So, pero bago ang lahat guys, samahan nyo ako kasi pupunta rin kami ng Trinoma na naman. Ay, nandito kami sa bus guys. At syempre, kung saan-saan na naman tayo napunta. At bago nga kami makarating sa Trinoma, dumaan muna kami dito sa SM North kasi nagtingin-tingin din ako ng ganitong klase. Kasi kami ng pang-gift kay Papi Owits and ito yung napili ng sponsor. Rishi!
Is it me? Yes. I cast her in Trinoma.
Are you sure? So, may sponsored tayo dito sa pagbila ng electric fan. So, thank you so much. So, ayan guys, no, nandito tayo at yun na nga yung napili namin kasi gusto aesthetic daw. Ganun. Concentrate. No. Ang galing ni ate ah. Concentrate. You don't need to get fast. You don't need faster. Slowly lang, slowly. Bakit parang hindi naman nag-start? Iya, parang hindi mo naman pinindot. Hindi mo yata pinindot, anak eh.
This is an
Emergency? Wala na, hindi mo pinindot. It's okay. Nice try. Good job. Oh, you want to watch yourself?
No.
Dito kami sa may SM North.
Lion! I want the lion!
Yes, kayo pupuntahan namin sa may Western Appliance. Hindi ko pa mapunta-puntahan kasi ang daming naming stopover. Ayan o guys, ang dami naming stopover. Look at that. Nag-enjoy sila dito sa SM North eh. Oh. May reindeer daw dito. Sa office ni Mang Rodeli. Oh, kulay gray. Kulay, sa ano din siya? Asahi din siya.
Babalik na rin ay
Now you have to go down by light.
Dali, help mo si Rishi. Okay.
You have to make a pizza. You have the small one. I have a big one.
Bye-bye.
Dad, Mommy, please. Mommy, please. Dad.
Why don't you ice cream?
Mommy, how about Daddy?
Daddy has a big...
I don't have...
I don't have saliva.
It's okay. For you.
Daddy has a big belly. Look, the big fats of Daddy.
No, Daddy didn't have a big belly.
It's only mommy.
No, Mommy didn't have a big belly.
Thank you, Willie.
My daddy don't have a big
Gusto po magpahag.
Daddy, can you smell? Happy birthday, Lola. It's a question, Mom. Mom.
Oh, mamam! Mamam!
Mommy, Mom, can I open it?
Oh, you wait for mamam. Lola. Dali. Oh, go. Daddy, let's open it. Help us.
Uy! I like to open it!
You like to open it? Later. Ano ka ba? Ba't mo ibubudiga sa kwarto niyo yan? Surprise for Mama and Lolo.
Wala nga ano sa bodega.
Di ba meron kong black doon? Oh, yan. Oh, help mo, Mama. Oh. Tomorrow, don't show it to Lolo, ha? That's Lolo's surprise. Today is only Mama. Okay. Only Mama will, know. Kaya bilis-bilisan nyo, baka yun bumaba. Yay!
Careful naman ang Maris.
Let's wait, Daddy. Let's wait to Daddy. Mabigat eh.
Wait lang.
Ano ba yan?
Oh, di. Karton.
See, the pillow cannot see.
Good, man. O, yan kasi yung umiikot niya. Pero yan kasi, malapad siya, Daddy, di ba? Malapad siya, di ba? Hindi kagaya nung ano. Hindi kagaya... Ano ba?
And this, I'll cover you. Now what? You must lay down with your head. I cannot please. I have long legs. Ate, let me lay down.
On the inside.
Hey, Ate, we're not ready yet. Ate!
It's your surprise gift from Tita Che.
Medyo mo nga, Daddy. Bayad yung hospital.
Happy
Birthday, Lolo. Ba't parang malungkot? You happy. You loud. Go.
Three.
Ha?
Malakas.
Oh, happy birthday to Lolo.
Oh, sing happy birthday. 1, 2, 3, go. Rizy, you sing happy birthday. Stand up.
Oh, dali, sing happy birthday to Lolo yan, Pe. Louder. Ano ba yan?
Rizy,
Ano ba naman yan? Stop mo lang.
Pasaway ba siya?
Okay, game.
umiikot din.
Oo. Uy, sige na go. Sing, louder. Happy birthday, Lolo.
You gotta lose it.
Lolo, on the,
Rizy, you're not singing naman eh.
you in the other side. Amari will get. Yes. Oh.
Buti pa si Ate Gia. Oh.
Louder.
May ikot-ikot pala eh.
Hey, that's turning around.
You hug na lolo.
You want that's white on.
Hug lolo. Amaris, hug lolo na.
Bigat na yan eh.
You hug lolo.
Bigat
I have yellow red.
Ay, you picture with Amaris naman. Hug also Amaris. Si Amaris naman.
Bibi pa daw siya eh.
Over naman si Amaris.
Number 2.
louder. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Mama, kaya pang tumakbo.
Ay, oo, si Mama. Ano yan? Hindi nga ganyan si Mama. Hindi ganyan. Maraming collagen ng tuhod neto ni Mama eh.
Si Papa kasi mahilig maglakad ko mula noon.
Yan, gasgas na ang tuhod.
Malayo ito maglakad eh.
Si Mama, hindi. Ano yan?
Gago ko talaga.
Dalawa kami ni Mama. Pinig si Sharon. Ibig sabihin na gano'n na take out. Sa andaan.
Ano ba natin?
Yeah, punasin niyo yan. Punasin niyo maigi yan. Baka mapali sa mga Sharon dyan.
Uy, si Sharon ko na to.
Wow, look at that. Nagtataga. O iba, may plastic pa.
Ito? Ay, okay na siguro kasi ano ko lang ito eh.
May plastic pa siya, ladies and gentlemen. May plastic pa po 1 kilo.